Hello, dear students. How are you all? All of you are fine, enjoying, happy at home, and learning also now, getting ready for the term and exam, right? Now, I'm here with the story of chapter 7, right? The name of the story is A Visit to Cambridge. So, you can understand this is a tour only, a visit to Cambridge. It's in Britain, UK, and the writer of this story is Firdaus Ganga, right? We'll come to know what is there in this story. This is the story of a meeting between two disabled people. Both were extraordinary in their fields. Stephen Hawking is a great scientist, though he suffers from paralysis. He confined to a wheelchair and he can speak only with the help of a computer. So, this is a story about two great people. One is that Hawking, and another one is Firdaus, the writer. Now, these two people, they were famous at their own field. Both of them were disabled. What is the disabled? A person who is not able to use his any of the body parts, like some of them, they do not have their legs working or hands working, or they are not able to see, means they are blind, not able to hear. Okay, so this way they are called disabled. In this story, you will come to know both of them, they were not ready to listen all these words. They are disabled. Then what does it mean? Means both of them were very brave. Both of them are very strong in their mind. The writer and journalist from Mumbai was born. That writer, Firdaus, he was from Mumbai. He was born in Mumbai only. And what disease he was having? He was having very weak and easily breakable bones. उनके प्रॉब्लम क्या था? उनकी जो बोन्स है वो बहुत ब्रिटल था, बहुत ही जल्दी टूटने वाला था. तो ही वॉज ऑलवेज using a chair to sit, and that Hawking also, he was also what is that? Confined means बंधे हुए है, मीन्स उसी के अंदर ही उनको रहना है, इन अ व्हील चेयर. ही टू मूव्स अराउंड इन अ व्हील चेयर. तो दोनों के दोनों ही व्हील चेयर में ही हुआ करते थे. एंड देन he meets Hawking in England. The writer Firdaus, he met Hawking in England. He was there only, that Hawking, he was there. The two had discussed how the so-called normal people should look at the disabled. He was discussing कि जो नॉर्मल लोग जो है, जिनके हाथ पैर काम कर रहे हैं, वो हमारी तरफ किस नज़रिए से दिखते हैं, and how they talk about us. Normal people, how do they discuss about disabled people, right? The writer Firdaus was on a walking tour through Cambridge to UK. His guide told about Stephen Hawking, who was occupying Newton's chair at the university. He wrote a brief history of time, means he wrote a book, means he was a writer also, and he wrote the book A Brief History of Time. One of the best sellers, सबसे ज़्यादा बिकने वाला वो किताब था, right? So both of them were disabled, that you have to remember. Both of them were great people in their own field, and now he was on a walking tour चल चल के जाना, right? And he was guided by the guide. Firdaus phoned Hawking that he was from India and wanted to meet him and write about his troubles in Britain. Hawking agreed to see him for half an hour. The thought of meeting somebody like him in a wheelchair gave Firdaus courage. So he wanted to meet him, and because of before that he has to take or he had to take permission to meet. So when he gave a phone call to him, and when he was allowed to meet, and because he was having a good mm, purpose, he was willing to write about the experience he had at the time of traveling, right? So because of that, he allowed, but only for half an hour, only for half an hour, not more than. And he was feeling very courageous. He was feeling very courageous कि he is disabled and I'm also disabled, but he felt very strong, because I'm also disabled and the person he came, he is also disabled. So in front of him, he thought कि someone is coming who is more powerful or who is more capable to handle all these things. So he felt very happy, and he was thinking about, oh my God, maybe he is more capable than me, like that, like that. He was thinking whatever it is, but he felt courageous. Okay, he may be very courageous person. Because of that, he came here to meet me. Both of them were disabled. Their bodies were disintegrating. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड डिसइंटीग्रेटिंग मीन्स उनके जो लाइफ जो है वो थोड़ा धीमी है, इतना बाकी ऑर्डिनरी नॉर्मल पीपल की तरह उनकी बॉडी नहीं है। डिकेइंग मतलब ख़त्म होने वाला है, मतलब धीरे 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 उनके बॉडी जो है वर्क करना कम कर देता है। Hawking had a little switch in his hand. Hawking had a little switch in his hand, and he was able to move his finger to find the words on his computer. So he was always with a computer. Hawking, he was always with a computer to operate whichever word he wants to get. He can press the button and he can get it. So and he felt exhausted very often. So he was able to move his finger to find the words on his computer. He felt exhausted very often, but his mind was brilliant and bubbling with thoughts. He was getting exhausted. Why? Because all around people, they are thinking they are not capable, they are not able to do, they are disabled. Always he was listening like that. So he gave them bad effect. They were not ready to accept कि we are disabled, we are disabled. Every time ye do this, do this, do that, do that, help, help. They are not able to do, help them, we should guide them. Or what is that? So they do not like to listen that. So they got exhausted. All the time people are around us, they are guiding us, they are always behind us to guide us. So that he was not liking. What is that? If he is using a computer instead of like he's not able to work like a normal people, it's okay, but he's always with thoughts. He is very brilliant. He was very brilliant and bubbling with thoughts. Always he was with new thoughts. So why they are calling that disabled? It should not be there, because he is also capable to do everything. Firdaus remarked that people often thought that disabled people were unhappy. Firdaus remarked, फिरदौस को भी लोगों ने बताया कि तुम बहुत अनहैप्पी हो बिकॉज यू आर डिसेबल, आपके बॉडी काम नहीं करता ठीक से, आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स काम नहीं करता, तो यू आर अनहैप्पी. बट ही इज़ नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. व्हाई पीपल आर सेइंग लाइक दैट? at what point I'm unhappy? I'm not unhappy. I'm able to work everything. I'm able to do everything like other people. So why people they are behind us to say that you are disabled? They are not ready to accept that, right? And then Hawking said that it was an amusing attitude. He admitted that he felt annoyed when other disabled person came and disturbed him in his work. He was not ready to accept that when he was working, and he was such a good worker, he was so brilliant. So in between, if someone is coming and saying this type of words, he was not ready to accept. He got annoyed. उनको बहुत गुस्सा आता था, अच्छा भी नहीं लगता था, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. The body in his uh, there was just a box. उनके जो बॉडी जो है उनके जस्ट बॉडी जो है बॉक्स फॉर द ब्रिलियंट माइंड एंड सोल. He was just like a body box in his body, and with brilliant thoughts. His mind and soul is uh, uh, full of thoughts. Okay, and he did not see anything good about being disabled. तो उनको कुछ लगता ही नहीं कि मेरे अंदर कुछ कमी है. ठीक है, बी डिजेबल्ड हूँ तो क्या है, बीइंग डिजेबल्ड आई एम डजेंट मैटर, बट आई एम फुल ऑफ थॉट्स, आई एम फुल ऑफ न्यू आइडियाज, एंड आई एम केपेबल टू डू एवरीथिंग. Seeing the poor people, the great scientist further felt great relief, even though he could neither work nor even stand. उनको देख के जो फिरदस जो आया है, फिरदस felt great relief though he could neither work nor even stand. फिरदस जो है उनको चलना भी नहीं आता, even he is not able to walk. Okay, खड़े भी नहीं हो पाते, चल भी नहीं पाते, but then also he felt very proud कि in front of someone that Hawking, I am there and he is ready to listen me. He allowed me to talk to him. Hawking did not like the idea of the disabled Olympics. Hawking did not like that Olympic which is kept only for disabled. He thought that it's simply wastage of time. He doesn't like. They all should think about them. All should accept them as normal people. They do not like they are categorized or they were identified like the disabled. They do not like. His advice to the disabled people was that they should concentrate on what they were good at, instead of thinking that we'll have our separate games, we'll have separate work. Better you should think about, you should concentrate at the work where you are good. Hawking made Firdaus spend 1 hour. So he gave him appointment only for half an hour, but he spent time 1 hour he spent with him because it was very interesting in front of him. Such a nice person. He was also very brilliant. So because of that, he spent. After that, they had tea and visited his garden. Also, he went about his motorized wheelchair. उनके जो wheelchair है वो motorized है, machine के द्वारा चलती है. Then the time to say goodbye, time to depart. एक दूसरे से जाना था. Firdaus got up to take leave of him. He could neither kiss Hawking nor cry, but he was convinced that the paralytic scientist was a symbol of bravery. तो वो ना तो वो क्या उनको हक कर सकते, ना तो किस कर सकते हैं. एंड उनकी जो वे ऑफ टॉकिंग, उनका जो थिंकिंग जो है, उनके जो पीपल के बारे में जो उनके जो कहना है, पीपल के बारे में जो उनकी जो थिंकिंग है, वो कितना अलग है, कितना हटके है. सो ऑल शुड बी feel very proud thinking that though he is disabled, he is not accepting that, he is accepting that I am normal like others. And really that paralytic scientist was a symbol of bravery. आपको भी ऐसे ही लगना चाहिए. If you are thinking that my hands are not working, my legs are not working, don't feel so. Always be brave and keep that strength, keep that strength inside you. Anything I can do, that feeling should be there. Everything is possible at me, that feeling should be there. Okay, so see, these people, they were so famous in the world though they were disabled. So you should also think like that. I am able, I am capable, I can do everything, I can win, I can be, I could be successful. Okay, bye, take care.